Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am sitting here in my car right now and I'm about to show you my car makeover on how I got my car from looking like a basic busy mom car to getting all glammed up and looking fabulous, fit for a queen. Okay, I'm feeling myself a little bit. But look, when I was coming up with different ideas on how to make my travel experience in my car better, I came up with a lot of tips to share with you. And the best part is most of these tips are using Dollar Tree products. So we're going to get into those. And I also wanted to let you know that I save all the sparkly parts for the end. And also you're going to get a sneak preview of my upcoming makeup video. So you got to be sure to watch to the end to see all that. Okay? And this is how my car looks. This white steering wheel cover was a gift, and this is going to be the inspiration for the look that I'm going for to decorate the car. I'm going to make a cover for my mirror, and I'm going to replace this air freshener bag because it creates dust all over the place. It's a mess. And I'm going to put rhinestones all around these vents. And also around my gear shift. And I'm also going to clean up this mess, all these cords everywhere. And this is where I store my face mask at the moment. And I'm going to clean out this center console and all this junk inside of it. And this is where I keep my makeup bag. I like to do my makeup in the car so that way I can see how my makeup looks in natural lighting. And this is literally all my makeup. Honestly, I shouldn't be keeping all my makeup in this one bag. It's just too much. So I'm going to organize that. And I'm also going to add some rhinestones up here. Now I made a cover for my rear view mirror and my armrest. And I made a separate video on how I did that using this microfiber Dollar Tree towel. And you could click on the link above to see how I did that, how I sewed it together. And for the armrest, I topped it off with this crown emblem that I got on Amazon to represent the crafty queen, of course. And for the rear view mirror, I used this fluffy heart keychain that I got from Dollar Tree, and I cut off the arrows and I took the keychain part off, tied a ribbon to it, and I hung it from my rear view mirror. And then I topped it off with this butterfly that I also got from Dollar Tree with a bunch of other butterflies. I had it left over from a previous project. I spray painted with this Rust-Oleum spray paint. I think it's in the color Ocean Mist, and topped it off with some rhinestones, and I stuck it on my rear view mirror cover. With the Ocean Mist spray paint, I also spray painted these little mini trash cans that I got from Dollar Tree and this phone ring holder. And with the little mini trash cans, I'm going to take some dog waste bags and use that as the liner for my trash cans. And just to make sure it stays in place, I'm going to use a rubber band over it. And I put it right here in the driver's side door. And with the ring phone holder, I'm going to stick it in a nice convenient place by the steering wheel so I can use it to hang my shades. I also picked up these button envelopes from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use this smaller one to hold my important car information like my registration and my insurance information and any other important paperwork. So that way I'll have easy access to them and put them in my glove compartment. Since this container fits perfectly in my center console, I'm going to use this to put small necessities inside. Things like a nail file, clippers, maybe some tissue. I'm also going to put little doggy waste bags in there in case I need to refill my trash can or in case I go walking my dog. Another air freshener for when one in my car runs out, lotion. I'm also going to keep any extra phone cords in here, perfume spray, and also my son's medications for his allergies. This was a little container that I recycled from my kitchen, and I'm going to use this to hold all these pins that I just purchased because you always need pins when you're in your car. And I'm going to stuff everything in my center console, my important little necessities, CDs, my pins, and I'm also going to include some of the things that I'm always keeping in my car, like my portable power bank and my safety hammer, which has a window breaker and a seatbelt cutter on it. I took all of my makeup out of the car and I decided that I'm going to use this as my portable makeup bag. So the things that are my go-to products, I'm going to put in this bag and hang them up in my car. And everything else stays in the house, as it should be. And this bag I'm going to use as my coupon bag. I also got this from Dollar Tree. And of course, I gotta have all my Bed Bath & Beyond coupons. And I'm gonna stuff it in the back seat. Now, call me weird if you want to. I understand this is not really normal, but I like to floss in my car. So I'm using these little reusable bags to stuff with some of my favorite floss picks. And I'm going to keep my pepper spray and my floss right up here in this overhead console so that I'll have easy access to them. It may be a little strange, but that's how I roll. And everyone knows how important it is to have some antibacterial wipes, especially in your car. This matches my decor, so I'm going to set this right here in the driver's side. Now, I have been meaning to do this DIY for a very long time, but then I keep forgetting about it. Well, now's the time to do it now that I'm organizing my car, and I'm going to cut this pool noodle to size. And I'm going to cut it in 2 pieces, and then I cut out a small rectangle so that it will fit over my seatbelt buckle. And then I'm just going to place it right in between my center console and my seat. And that way I will never drop my phone in between the seats of my car again. Now, I'm always looking for something to write on, a piece of paper and a pen when I'm in my car. So I'm going to use this hook and loop fastener and this little notepad and these little cable dots. And I'm going to set up a little organization system so that I'll always be able to grab a pen and paper at a moment's notice. And I especially use these little clip pins so that way I don't have to fumble around with taking the top off the pin, so I could use it. That way I could just clip it with my thumb and just write, especially if I could only use one hand. And I'm going to use another cable dot right here on the side, and I'm going to plug up my phone charger cord to it. So I will have easy access to my phone cord, because how many times are you driving and you're trying to plug up your phone so that it'll charge and you're scrambling around for your cord? Well, here it is, easy access. And now it's time for me to add the sparkle and get my car all glammed up. I got this rhinestone ribbon from Amazon for about $15–16, and it came in 3 yards. And yes, I measured it. It was exactly 3 yards. And the quality of this ribbon was so good. The sticky material, it is very durable, but it's not to the point where once you stick it down, you can't pull it up. That is not the case. You can definitely be flexible with this ribbon. It's easy to cut, as you can see here. And here you can see that I'm even taking small little pieces so that I could fill in little gaps. It was very easy to work with. After I put this on everything in my car, I still had about 2 feet and 3 inches of ribbon left over. Also from Amazon, I got these BACKSEAT storage hooks. They came 4 in a pack for only $5, and I'm going to glam this up too. And it's perfect for hanging up my makeup bag or groceries or anything you don't want on the floor. Wait, don't go yet. If you want to see a sneak peek of my next makeover video, it's coming up real soon. And I want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope this video inspired you to decorate or at least organize your car. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for future notifications, and I will definitely catch you guys next time. Bye.